Kito and Skaya. Oh, they are kissing. Oh, Kito wants to play with Skaya. Oh, kiss. Come on, kiss. Oh, you can smell that Skaya is a girl. And Baba, you're jealous, Baba? Because Kito is polygamous. Ah. You cannot make Skaya pregnant. She's still a baby. She is a baby Aspin while you are an old Shih Tzu already, no? She doesn't have mens pa. Ah. Oh, Bella, you're so pretty naman. Pretty naman ang Bella ni Mami. Pretty naman yung Bella na yan. Oh, Baba, you always sit beside Mommy. You're so sweet. You're kalbo. Ah. Oh, come on. Dito, up here. Up, go up. Go up. Go up here. Come on. Come on, sit beside Mommy. Come on, lay down here. Just like Baba. Come on. I love you, my Baba. I love you, my Kito. I love you, my Bella. Bella Beats, Bella Beats. Oh, that's Sushi. My Sushi, the cat. Where is Sashi? Sashi! Sashimi! Sashimi! Don't eat that, Bella. Don't eat. What is that? Oh, super pretty. Okay, Mommy will gonna do something else na, ha? Just relax.